Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho weather planning briefing for Saturday, March 13th. In this presentation, you'll see that there's still a low that will bring huge snowfall amounts to the central Rocky Mountain Front Range, but will bring a little more than some elevated wind and a slight chance of precipitation over the Bear Lake Basin, at least wise for the next 24 hours. The next upstream storm really doesn't arrive until, at the earliest, it would be late Sunday night. More likely, though, it'll start during the day on Monday and Monday afternoon for the eastern side of our forecast area. And there is still continues a high degree of uncertainty with how this storm will develop once it reaches landfall. However, at this point, it does look like it will track south of us, and once again, just another glancing blow. So here's a satellite image. You can see over the Las Vegas area this rotating mass of clouds. That is the storm that's going to be dumping feet of snow is how it'll be measured in the central Rockies. The next upstream storm is this one here, and as I said, as this approaches, this will start diving to the south and actually go through California. It'll be a little bit more eastward, and so we are expecting actually to get some precipitation out of this, but still not great amounts. Will be on the northern side, which tends to be the colder side of winter storms. And with northerly wind, it's a lot tougher for us to get a really strong wind, so we're not expecting much of either. So our impacts, we are looking at a slight chance of snow, mostly this afternoon and this evening over, as you can see there, the southeast highlands, which would be the Bear River Basin, more or less. And then Sunday's a break, and then the slight chance begins on Monday for a lot of locations, and then the focus will be on the eastern highlands and the Sawtooth. And it spreads a little bit more and is a little bit more intense on Tuesday. You can see it's actually snow likely for the southeast highlands. And then a chance of snow for the eastern highlands, and then the Sawtooths. Everywhere else, just a slight chance of snow, but it does include the Snake River Plain and the eastern Magic Valley. And then on Wednesday, the storm sort of wraps up for a little bit, and there's just a limited area of slight chance of snow. And again, that's mostly along the Wyoming border as the low continues its eastward trek and moves out of here. So let's see the evolution of this. So for this evening, basically less than an inch dusting on the highways going through Bear Lake County and the county that Preston's in, Franklin County. And it dissipates even more for late tonight. And then again, here's Monday, where it's just really light precipitation. A lot of it probably not even in our area quite yet. For Monday, and then Monday night it's a little bit better. You can see actually getting 1 to 2 inches over Galena Summit, 1 to 2 inches on portions of the freeway going between Arco and Chalice, and a dusting of snow also going into Wyoming. And then for Tuesday through Wednesday, again, this is actually over a 36-hour period, so there's still not a whole lot of snow here when the maximum is for Teton Pass to get 2 to 3 inches over that day and a half. So same thing here over Montpelier. So you see the focus on these couple of days will be more eastern Idaho going into Wyoming, and just some light stuff for the central Idaho mountains and the south central highlands. Here's a look at some winds. Not a whole lot going on, but it is 15 to 20 miles an hour. You can see it mostly has a northerly component, but with the low exiting, it will be by tonight. We'll start seeing more westerly winds in the eastern Magic Valley. And then the winds are really light for Sunday and Sunday night. And then here on Monday, you can see with the next storm coming in, once again, they're out of the north and east as low pressure continues in areas south of here. And then on Monday night, as the low sort of moves into our longitudes, but well to the south of us. And we are getting some light snow at this time. We start to see the change back to westerly wind in a lot of locations. Then on Tuesday, you can see it's all back to westerlies as that low continues to move off. That's really all I have. What follows here is just a look at temperature. So if that interests you, you can hang on. Otherwise, really don't have much more to say about the evolution of the snow. So you can see today, though, warm conditions. We are looking for temperatures to reach 50 degrees now in Pocatello, it looks like. And continued cool here for tonight with skies continuing to be clear. And then Sunday, even warmer. You can see we're up about 3 to 5 degrees and getting close to 60 in Burley. And, of course, by Monday morning, we will have cloud cover that will keep temperatures mild and above freezing for places from Pocatello, then to the south and west in the lower elevations. Now, Monday, a little bit of cloud cover. We start to see the temperature cool off a little bit. Here on Tuesday morning, continued cloud cover, continued mild overnight lows, especially for the lower elevations. And Tuesday here, the lows now passing to our east, allowing the cold air to sink in, and you can see the cooling trend continues from the day before. But still enough cloud cover where we are still mild overnight. And then Wednesday, skies start to clear. We're starting to get close to 12 hours of sunshine at this point, and temperatures are on the rebound. So that's all I have for you. If you have any further questions, you can always contact this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.